Imagine a tiny snail gliding slowly across a garden path. No rush, no panic. Yet, unlike many creatures, it carries something priceless on its back. Its home, always protected, always prepared. It never rents a place for the night or borrows space from others. Rain or shine, that little shell is security, shelter, and strategy. What if we approached homeownership like the snail? Today, I want to share a story. It's not of markets, interest rates, or real estate jargon, but of the humble snail and how its logic can teach us to buy a home wisely, even if we don't earn a six-figure income. Let's call it the snail's mortgage logic. A snail doesn't sprint. It doesn't overextend. Strength lies in its patience and planning. Homeownership is not a race. It's a journey. Many people rush to buy a house because they feel pressured by peers or rising rent. But moving too fast can lead to crushing debt, bad loan terms, or buying more house than you need. The snail reminds us, carry only what you can truly support. A snail's shell isn't fancy, but it's functional. It fits. It protects. The snail doesn't choose the biggest shell, but the one that suits its needs. We should think the same way when buying a home. Ignore the hype. Don't fall for dream homes that become financial nightmares. Ask yourself, can I afford this home on one income in case of emergencies? Is this space right for my current life? Not just my Instagram? Does this home offer stability more than status? The snail chooses shelter, not showmanship. A snail builds slowly. Likewise, saving for a down payment takes time, but it's worth it. Even a 10% down payment can mean lower monthly costs and more favorable loan terms. If you're earning $3,000 a month and saving 20%, that's $600 per month. In 2 years, you'd have over $14,000 enough for a modest starter home. The snail doesn't mind the crawl, because every inch is progress. Your mortgage isn't just a loan, it's a commitment to maintain your shell. A smart snail checks its shell regularly. We should do the same with our finances. Can I comfortably pay this monthly mortgage and still save? Are there hidden costs like taxes, repairs, insurance? What if interest rates change? What if I lose income temporarily? Always budget with the future in mind. A crack in your plan could lead to stress or foreclosure. Snails don't compete with rabbits, shouldn't compete with others either. Buying a house just because your friends did, or because social media glamorizes it, can lead to regret. It's okay to rent longer. It's okay to buy smaller. It's okay to wait. Remember, the goal is not to win fast, but to stay secure. A snail retreats into its shell when danger arises. Your home should offer the same protection. That means avoiding adjustable rate mortgages if your income is unstable, keeping an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses, ensuring your monthly housing cost is no more than 30% of your take-home pay. The snail doesn't gamble with its safety, neither should you. Did you know snails can relocate when needed? They carry their home, but still move toward opportunity? Buying a home shouldn't lock you in forever. Is the home in a location with job options? Can I rent it out if I need to move? Is it close to people and resources that matter to me? Flexibility is freedom. Some snails keep their shells for life. We may not keep our homes that long, but the principle remains. Choose with long-term satisfaction in mind. Trendy neighborhoods fade, tiles crack, styles change. But a solid structure, safe environment, and affordable payment endure. Think like a snail. Invest in what lasts. Snails won't move into a shell that's too heavy or cracked. Neither should you accept a mortgage that stretches you too thin. You can say no to overpriced homes, aggressive realtors, risky loan structures, peer pressure. A wise snail survives by choosing carefully. Owning a home isn't about how fast you get there, it's about how well you prepare. If you follow the snail's mortgage logic, you'll buy only what you can carry. You'll move at your pace, not someone else's. You'll build slowly, wisely, and securely. You may not impress the world with speed, but like the snail, you'll always have shelter, safety, and peace. And that, my friend, is the smartest kind of home you can own. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this nature-inspired take on personal finance, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next episode. The Ant's investment strategy. Until then, move slow, think smart, and build steady.